Today we're taking a look at one of the most powerful and futuristic gaming laptops of 2025, the brand new ROG Zephyrus G16 GU605. Asus went all in on performance, AI acceleration, premium OLED visuals, and ultra-portable design. This thing is a beast, so let's dive right into what makes it special. The G16 continues the premium Zephyrus design language, sleek, thin, and surprisingly light for the hardware it packs. You get a solid aluminum body, great rigidity. Inside, we get the new Intel Core Ultra 9285H, featuring the Intel AI Boost NPU capable of up to 13 TOPS of AI acceleration. Paired with it is the absolute monster, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with 24 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory. Asus cranks this GPU 1647 MHz with ROG Boost 120 watts total power with dynamic boost. This combination chews through AAA games at high refresh rates and handles 4K editing and AI workloads like nothing. This model comes with a ridiculous 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM clocked at 7467 MHz. It's soldered, so you can't upgrade later. But honestly, 64 GB is more than enough for even the heaviest creator workflows. For storage, you get a 2TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, blazing fast and perfect for large project files. This year's display is just insane. We're looking at a 16-inch 2.5K ROG Nebula OLED panel with 240Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-P, 3-coverage Pantone validation NVIDIA G-Sync, Dolby Vision HDR. The 16:10 glossy OLED looks vivid, sharp, and buttery smooth, easily one of the best laptop displays of 2025. Port selection is excellent. 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with DisplayPort, power delivery, and G-Sync, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1 FRL, SD UHS-2 card reader, and of course a 3.5mm combo jack. Everything you'd need for gaming, creators, and productivity setups. Backlit chiclet keyboard, one-zone RGB touchpad. You still get a solid 90 watt-hour battery, and Asus includes a 240-watt power adapter.